So you've got this big dream, right? Launching your own real estate empire. But where do you even start? It feels like you're trying to build a skyscraper with just a handful of tools. Well, in this explainer, we're going to talk about a massive shortcut, a way to actually compete with the big players in the industry right from day one. You've got the vision. You can see the potential, but man, that mountain of competition is huge. How in the world are you supposed to go up against the giants, the big names that everyone already knows and uses? Okay, so you're at a crossroads. Path number one, the hard way. We're talking spending a fortune, hiring a huge team, and waiting years, literally years, to build something from the ground up. Or there's the smart way, a turnkey solution that basically lets you hit the launch button and get into the market at lightning speed. Let's be real. The modern homebuyer is demanding, and they have every right to be. They want everything in one place, a totally seamless experience. They expect to see every listing, all the data, neighborhood info, like right now. And that's because the big guys have set that bar incredibly high. So the big question is, how do you even try to compete when you don't have a massive team or a bottomless bank account? The answer is pretty cool, actually. It's a strategic shortcut, the clone solution. Think of it as your secret weapon, your ticket to a pro-level platform without that eye-watering price tag. Okay, so what exactly is a Zillow clone? Let's be clear, we're not talking about a literal copy and paste job. It's more like a ready-made platform that's built on the same blueprint as the top marketplaces. It has all the core features, the stuff that users already know and love, giving you a familiar, super user-friendly experience right out of the box. Here's a great way to think about it. Instead of trying to build a restaurant from scratch, I'm talking digging the foundation, putting up walls, buying every single pot and pan, you're just taking over a fully equipped, top-of-the-line kitchen. The ovens are there, the fridges are humming. You just slap your brand on the door, bring in your ingredients, your listings, and start cooking up some deals. All right, so let's pop the hood on this thing. What's actually inside this digital toolbox? Let's break down the essential features that make a modern property search not just work, but feel totally seamless and honestly kind of fun to use. So all these features work together to really empower the user. You've got your powerful property search, of course, to find that dream home. Then there's the side-by-side comparison tool so you can weigh your options, a built-in mortgage calculator for a quick reality check on affordability, super smart filters to cut through the noise, and of course, interactive maps to really get a feel for the neighborhood. It's the whole package for making smart decisions. And look, this is way more than just a random collection of tools. This whole thing is engineered from the ground up for today's on-demand consumer. The kind of person who wants answers, options, and all the info, and they want it 5 minutes ago. And then you've got the other stuff, the really important details. A seamless experience, whether you're on your phone or your desktop. A review and rating system, which is absolutely critical for building trust. A secure payment gateway for any premium features you might offer. And push notifications to keep people coming back. It's these little things that separate a good platform from a great one. Okay, that's a lot of cool features for the user. But what does it all mean for you, the entrepreneur? Let's connect the dots and translate all this tech into real, tangible business benefits. This is your launchpad for success. The advantages are huge. First off, a quick launch. You get to market so much faster. Second, a low investment, which, let's be honest, dramatically reduces your risk. You're also starting with a proven concept, so you're not guessing what users want. You're giving it to them from day one. And finally, scalability. This thing is built to grow right along with your business. I mean, just look at the difference in time to market. It's just staggering. We are talking about launching in weeks, not months or, heaven forbid, years. For any startup, getting that head start, that is an absolute game changer. Okay, so we've seen the tech, we've seen the business benefits, but how does it all actually feel for the user? Let's do a quick walkthrough of their journey on the platform from the moment they land on the site. It's all designed to be super simple and intuitive. Okay, so a user logs in, they start browsing listings, using those awesome filters to find exactly what they're looking for. They click on a property, dive into the details, maybe get a quick price estimate, then they can chat directly with the seller right on the platform and boom, book a site visit. It's a completely smooth path from just looking to taking real action. And let's get one thing straight. This is not about cutting corners. This is about being smart. It's like starting a race already on third base. A ready-made script gives you that rock-solid foundation, so you can stop worrying about the tech and focus on what really matters: marketing your business, getting great listings, and growing your brand. So the foundation is already there. The technology is proven to work. The platform is basically a blank canvas, just waiting for your brand, your vision. The only real question left is, what are you going to build with it?